Hi guys, it's me again, and today I'm gonna show you the reinstallation of an Lockset and the removal. I'm covering one is a wafer type na Lockset from Alpha, and the other one is a common type tumbler knob Lockset. Okay, so the first thing we do is install the latch bolt. This is a 1-inch uh, hole, so we will install the sleeve of this plastic sleeve on the latch bolt to accommodate and it will not be wiggling. First, in installing the latch bolt, you have to determine the hand of the door. Well, if the door is when you are outside of the door and it is opening going in from your right, that is a right hand type of door. So this is how the latch bolt is being positioned, right? So when you close the door, this bolt will be engaging the latch cuts on the jump. Okay, so I will use this modified drill of mine to make it faster. When installing the latch bolt, first try not to tighten the latch bolt too much so that you can readjust, because sometimes there is some problem in the drilling of the hole. There is some, and removing this you have to the same thing, removing the knob, you push this retaining here and push with your thumb the knob. Okay, that will be released. And we'll take this out. Now we will take the inner rows after we remove the screw. This is for this tutorial is for total beginners. Now try to engage the latch inside and adjust the outer rows adjustment until the latch bolt prong is catching, if possible, in the middle of that retractor. Okay, so now it is okay. So now we will install this. This is the inner rows which the screw is being applied. Tighten it. Tighten the screw on the latch bolt. Okay, now insert the outer rows. Let it first clip from this small hook here and push it in. Okay, now insert the knob. Okay, push it. Okay, now that's it. Now removing it is by prying again the hole here. Take it out. Pry this outer rows here. Loosen the screw. And you can take out the lock. Right? The same with this common tumbler pin tumbler locks. Same thing. Take this out. Okay. And then take this outer rows. Remove the screw. The same thing, the same procedure as with the wafer type knob Lockset. There's no difference in this one. Adjust it so that it will accommodate the latch bolt prong. Install it. Make sure the prong is catching on the retractor. See that? The same procedure. Install the first the inner rows. Install the 2 screws. Tighten it. Install the rose cover. Make sure that this slot here will correspond to the cuts here. Okay, then install the handle, the knob. Okay, once it is installed, make sure before you close the door, make sure that this latch bolt is make sure it is engaged by turning the knob and it is extracting. Okay, because if it missed from the retractor there inside, then when you close the door and you are outside, you have a big problem. Right? So make sure and don't close the door while testing it. Right? So when it is like this, it's responding to the knob, then that means it is engaged. Okay, remove it. You can remove it again by prying the small hole here. There is a small opening here. Try that one. Okay, loosen the screw again. Okay, and that's how to remove the knob Lockset, reinstalling it, and it's very easy for beginners. Okay folks, so that's all for today, and I will try to cover lots of locks on installation and removal, so that even the beginners can do on its own, especially those DIY person which is very eager to learn about locksmithing, removal, and installation of lock sets. And I will cover some of the medico, and this sergeant, and we will proceed up to the mortise lock installation and removal. Thanks folks for watching, and good day.